Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Gaikwad and today's date is 6 September 2021 and today's our video topic is linked list in a Java. Linked list in a Java is used doubly linked list to store the element. It provides the linked list data structure. It inherits the abstract list class and implement list and dequeue interface. The important point of the Java linked list is the Java linked list class can contain duplicate elements. The Java linked list class maintain the insertion order, and the Java linked list class is non-synchronized. And the next one is Java linked list class can be used list, stack, and queue. The Java linked list class manipulation is fast because no shifting is needed or no shifting is need to occur. Then the hierarchy of the linked list class is mm, uh, hierarchy of the linked list class is first one is the iterable. The collection class extends the iterable, and the list and dequeue class extends the collection. So, and abstract sequential list is implements the list, and dequeue extends the queue, and the linked list is extends the abstract sequential list and implements the dequeue. Then doubly linked list. In a doubly linked list, we can add or remove the elements from both sides. The doubly linked list is like uh, the first the first one within a box there is a 10, 20, and 30. The its of head is null, and tail is also null. So the linked list class declaration is like public class linked list e extends abstract sequential and implements the mm, uh, abstract sequential e and implements the dequeue and uh, clonable and serializable. So we see constructor of a Java linked list, that is linked list constructor linked list. It is used to construct a empty list. Then the next one is linked list collection extend e. It is used to construct the list contains the element of a specified collection in the order they are written by the collection iterable. Then we see the methods of a Java linked list, that is boolean add e. It is used to append the specified element to the end of the list. Then void add int index and e. It is used to insert the specified element at the specified position index in the list. Then the boolean add all. It used to append all the elements in the specified collection to the end of the list in the order they are written by the specified collection iterator. Then the next one is a void add first. It is used to insert the given element at the beginning of the list. Then void add last. It is used to append the given element at the last of the list. Then void clear. It is used to remove all the elements from the list. Then then object clone. It is used to return the shallow copy of the array list. Then boolean contain. It is used to returns the true if the list contain the specified element, or it returns the false if the list does not contain specified element. Then get int index. It is used to return the element at the specified position in the list. Then get first. It is used to return the first element of the list. Then get last. It is used to return the last element of the list. And then next one is epoll. It retrieves and remove the first element of the list. epop, it pops the element from the stack and represented by the list. Then remove, it is used to retrieve and remove the first element of the list. That is all about the linked list in a Java. Thank you.